Okay, I'm going to put some decor on the other wire tree now. I finished. This is that galvanized steel. This is more difficult to do than the green one. I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna add some leaves. And then, you know, it pays just to pick up things when you see them. I had no idea what I would do with these things. I just picked them up and I'm like, yeah, I like them. What can I do with it? It's only 10 lights. Oh well. I think I've had these things for maybe 2 years and never used them. But I'm getting ready to use them on this tree. This is what the leaves look like. It's just like I said, a decorative trim. And I'm gonna put this on here as well. Let me do the lights first. So I'm gonna start off with the lights. Basically, what I'm gonna do is try to put them, you know, you see those trees where in someone's yard, it has little balls hanging from the tree. Most of the time you see them at Christmas time. Well, I'm gonna try to do this with this tree. I'm gonna try to get all of the little balls up on a limb so I don't see much of the wire hanging down. So I'm gonna try to do it that way. Wrap it around the ball here. Of course, you see I'm randomly putting it up here because like I said, I only have about 10 little balls on here. And I want them to, you know, just be hanging around the tree. Hanging around the tree. Okay. Get this one up in the center part of the tree. And the battery pack can go down the middle of the tree. If I make it long enough, I can put it under the roots where the tree can basically sit on top of the battery pack, like so. Okay, I have the lights on here. Now I'm going to add these, and what I want to happen is I want to put it on a limb, but as I get to the end of that limb, I want it to drape off the limb just a little bit, like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut strips, wind them around the limb. Take this, take it up under this wire, keep it going around the limb. And around the wire. So I'm going to do it like that on all of them. And my leaves itself, I'm going to have them secured down at the bottom. So with that one, just going to cut it off right there. And then put this other piece on. Right here, wind it around to the tip and let it fall. So I'm going to do this all the way around this tree. I'm not gluing this on, I'm not wiring it on. I'm sticking it through the wire. I'm wrapping it tight at the beginning, very tight at the beginning. Then I'm coming up my limb, out onto my branches. And you notice as I wrap how the leaves stick out. Stick out just like they're on the end of a branch. See how they pop up like that? Pop up like this. Then I'm going to keep going all the way around. Got just a little bit more to do. Finish all this. There it is. It's complete. What I'm going to do now, well, it's not complete, because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to here and I'm going to cut off these little ends like this. So it ends with a leaf and not the tip. It ends with a leaf. Majority of these are already like that, but I want to make sure that they all are like that. I did not measure these. Like I said before, I just randomly put them on, cut off a long strand, and just put it on the tree. Right here is down in the wire. Now this is that galvanized wire, and of course, like I said, it's harder to bend and maneuver the galvanized wire. But with this, once I wrapped it all tight on here, I really didn't have to worry about the tips. But if I had to have to do anything with the tips, then I'll bend them with my pliers. Okay, so now let's put some batteries in the lights and see how they look at night.